Good afternoon and welcome to today's daily market update from Time Price Analysis. This is being recorded about 5 minutes after the close of the US markets on Monday the 10th of September, and I'm glad to say I'm recording this at a remarkably civilized hour because I'm actually here in the US at the moment. So really lackluster price action today. Day to not risk money in the market and get whipsawed. So we had a couple of early trades, made some on CL, lost some on ES, broke even for the day and then didn't do anything, and it just chopped around in a tight range. So normal thing, let's start with the daily chart of the S&P 500. 5 up to here is a diagonal, 2 back, 1, 2, and I think we've got a second 1, and I'm looking for confirmation that this 2's in before we start to push up to at least the 3004 area and probably higher in the 3 of this 3 is what I'm looking for next in the ES. So if I bring that down to, I'm just going to come straight down to the hourly time frame, and what I think we've got here, same as we were going through last week, is another 1 to here, 2, and then this diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thus far we've got an A, B, C into the 38.2 retrace. We just tapped below it on Friday, and then we've pushed up, gapped up on Sunday night, pushed up a little higher today, and then we've just consolidated for the rest of the day. So what I'm looking for from here is to hold Friday's low and continue on up. We need to take out 28.93, and then we need to take out 2900, followed obviously by the high, and looking up here next, 3022 to 3063, ideally in the S&P 500 next. And I'll just bring that all the way down to a 15-minute chart. And you can see this morning, there's the gap up that we saw. And then this was today's price action, just absolutely sideways to nothing. It's still possible, by the way, that we drop down to one of these lower fibs here, 28.55 to 28.41. All of this move down that I've got as the 2 can still be an A, and this move up we're seeing a B wave before we drop down lower. But either way, I'm looking for the support to hold then as the 2 and push us back up in the 3.